came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
There are social issues. There are social issues in every society, sir. But to club all Aryans under this, well, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, you're a Tamilian as well. Unless, of course, Mr. Harish Mohammad Ibrahim will undertake, the task of giving you a label of whether you're a true Tamilian or not. Do you believe that this Aryan Dravidians difference that has been created is really the beginning of Dravidian politics and therefore not divisive?
Navika, I am absolutely appalled by the breaching of the limits of scientific ignorance right now by my good friend Harish. There is no such thing as Aryan, okay? The Dravidian thing is limited to languages, if at all. There was something called ANI and there was something called ASI. Please, I don't know when you quit science, but at least I'm hoping till 7th or 8th you were taught science. Ancestral North Indian population, ancestral South Indian population. There was absolute and near complete mixing of the two for thousands of years. And there is no such thing as Aryan migration, Aryan immigration, Aryan invasion, for heaven's sake. We have the Rakhigarhi DNA. We have the Sanoli chariot. When will you go back to science? I know you are advocate.
No, it is there. Where does the Kiladi, then are you accepting Kiladi? Are you accepting the Kiladi excavation?
I did not interrupt the gentleman.
The Tamil civilization is the first civilization.
Navika,
no, that is what
this is
you have to accept the Kiladi
nonsense.
Then.
And these are the people who are giving certificates to whether somebody should deserve a Padma Award in Tamil Nadu or not. I am saying it in Hindi so that you go back and look up at least the chat GPT.
Don't say it in Hindi, Anand Ranganathan. Your Tamilian badge will be taken away because Hindi is not an acceptable language for them. That is another, core issue this election on which language you speak. So Vivek Srivastava, I want to ask you. You don't find this divisive? Yeah. You don't find this as yet another way of creating a barrier between the north and the south of India? Do you think we are separate nations? Are you going to be like Mr. DK Suresh Kumar, who actually came out with this, that South India should be a separate country?
Ambedkar didn't believe in Aryan invasion.
No. I'll tell you. It's not. Hold on, sir. It is not about the division of the country. It is about the imposition of Hindi, Hindu, Hindustan on the whole nation. RSS ideology, which is what the DMK is against. It is not against the nation. It is not against any race. 6 races constitute India. Go to any department of anthropology.
Aryan invasion theory has been debunked, my friend, not once, not twice, but by everybody who has researched this. And I can ad nauseum. Name the various studies that have debunked this theory. Why do you want to hang on to this?
Then don't give reservation to the Dalits. So there are no Dalits, there are no backwards, there are no Dravids, atrocities were never done, wars were never fought, gods were never different.
I mean, just because you debunk the Aryan invasion theory, so Dalit reservations will go. Pradeep Bhandari, does politics definitely preclude any logic?
Well, I'll tell you their issue is those who do not consider a Sanatan being called dengue, malaria, AIDS as divisive or hate speech will always come up with these bogus theories. Because the truth is that the crime against Dalits in Tamil Nadu has gone up by 45%. Every 2 hours, there is a girl who is sexually abused in Tamil Nadu. And these are the same people who even went to bully the Madras High Court judge who ruled in the favor of the Tamil people when they had the right to practice their faith and light the Deepam.
At least they are participating in the public life
those
now.
who are against Tamil language will always try to bring a fictitious narrative so that the attention shifts away from their governance, misgovernance, and from their distaste towards people of Tamil Nadu. That is the reality.
Harish, the basic question is, if you have to come into this Aryan invasion and create a difference between the Aryans and the Dravidians,
With
Does
logic,
that
they should not be
mean,
in
does
the
that
alliance.
mean development issues, problems of the people, finally,
Madam,
you have
Navika,
admitted
Navika,
that they
we
are
are
not
not
an issue
creating
this
a difference.
election?
He has nothing to show.
We are not creating the division. We are making sure the division which has been created for 2000 years should be set in place with bringing the social justice
But
in
you
place.
you are the party in power over there for God knows half a century, and you are sitting and blaming others for the division that has been there. I mean, I really don't get it, ladies and gentlemen.